introducing me, Dinta Nurmaulidina. Here I will provide tips for answering questions about job interviews. Happy watching! 1. Tell me something about yourself. To answer this question, you can prepare these experience that are relevant to the position you are playing for. For example, such as name, educational background, relevant internship, or work experience. For those of you who don't have relevant experience, you can add information about your interest and passion in the field you are applying for. Example: hello, my name is Dinta Nurmaulidina and I am 22 years old. I graduate from Indraprasta University PGRI, Department of Guidance and Counseling. I live in Jakarta and I am the last child of the 3 siblings. I have internship experience at one of the schools in Jakarta, to be precise in the Cawang area. There I teach and provide guidance and counseling to students at the school. 2. Why do you want to work here? To answer this question, indicate that the agency or company you are applying for has advantage that make you want to join. You can also provide realistic answers such as the facilities offered. Example: I want to work in this agency or company because of the facilities and benefits offered. This company is also engaged in a field that I like, so I am confident and exert my abilities to the fullest and provide satisfactory result in my work. Yang ketiga, why do you want this job? Next, to answer this question, you must explain why this job is right for you and why you are right for the company. You need to show enthusiasm not only for the position but for the company as a whole. It's important to include some details from your previous research on the company into your answer to let the interviewer know that how you work aligns with how the company operates. Example: the reason I want this job is because it has the potential to give a boost to my personality, as well as provide me with ample opportunities to make the most of the skills I have acquired both professionally and personally. Yang keempat, what is your greatest strength? To answer this question, give answers as honestly as possible and then explain the relevant advantage in accordance with the position applied for, then add an explanation of experience and make a list of strengths and their rationalization. Example: I'm skilled at blah 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 blah. I'm skilled at handling client. Yang kedua, I am good at blah 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 blah. I am good at team working. Or I am good at working under pressure. I am also working with enthusiasm. Next, my strength is blah 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 blah. My strength is my versatility and ability to adapt quickly. or honestly and punctuality are my strengths. Next, I can blah 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 blah. I can work independently, or I can adapt easily in new situation. Next, I know how to blah 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 blah. I know how to manage my time, or I know how to handle clients. What your are strengths and weakness? In order to be able to answer questions about your strengths and weakness during an interview, it is important that you first identify yourself and then apply to the case to answering questions of strengths and weaknesses, namely confidence and honesty in answering. To make it easier to convey your strengths and weaknesses, you can also explain in certain contexts. Strengths. Example: I am meticulous and tenacious. When working on a project, I'll always track progress down to the last detail because I have a comprehensive understanding of the components. I can see what is important and can prioritize accordingly so that all meet deadlines. This is reflected in the feedback from my college and management. Weakness. For example, you can answer this by example: I am someone who has a hard time trusting other people. In my early working days, this weakness made me tend to take on work individually because I didn't trust the quality of my colleagues. However, I ended up feeling overwhelmed and ended up burnt out. As I get more experience in the workforce, I realized that this was a weakness and needed to be changed. Although it is not an easy thing, now I have been able to have more confidence in the abilities of my CO workers. That's why I can also create good teamwork and of course maximum work result. Apart from examples of strategies for answering self-weakness, there are a number of things you need to pay attention to, especially when conveying answer to this question. 1. Avoid giving answer that seem to click and boost. 2. Don't give too long explanations. 3. Do not give the impression that you are shrinking yourself because you are stuck in your shortcomings. Yang keenam, why should we hear you? To answer this question, you have the opportunity to connect the skills you have with the company's needs. In a sense, include your work experience and strengths in the answer so that recruiters feel confident about accepting you as a new employee. Example: as a graduate, I can present innovation and various modern business strategies. If you are a fresh graduate take advantage of your status for good answer and reason. One of them is the thirst for learning, creativity needed for innovation, and knowledge of modern things. So include that in your answer, tell recruiters that you are ready to innovate and have new strategies learned during college. In fact, companies in this modern era need fresh graduates for their creativity and high work enthusiasm. Yang ketujuh, what is your greatest accomplishment? Another way to answer the job interview question, what is your greatest accomplishment, is to put in the form of a short story. Use the following STAR method to make the summary of your answer clearer and easier to understand. S. Situation. C. Situation. Begin your answer by explaining the context of a situation that might illustrate a particular problem for you, your team, or company. Task. Then T. Task. Then explain your role in the situation. You can explain the task that is your responsibility in that situation, the solution you offer, and what skills you use in dealing with that situation. A. Approach. Describe the approach or ways you did to make an impact or solve the problem. When designing this explanatory section, you can include keywords from the job description you are applying for. R. Result. Complete the answer with positive result from your work. You can provide your result in numerical form, which can make your answer look even more impactful. Example, in my last job, I was responsible for managing the new employee orientation and training program. Unfortunately, when I first entered, the content that is usually offered in this program is often considered unattractive by employees. From the information I found, only 65% of new employees complete this training. I also decided to reorganize the training program to make it more relevant and interesting based on research in various introduced and the feedback I got from the evaluation forms distributed to employees. And from this program change, now 93% of new employees who completed the training commented positively on their experience. Because of this achievement, my manager finally asked me to lead a training seminar at our branch office. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? To answer this question, you can 1. Emphasis or interest in a long-term career with the company. 2. Answer should not be too specific or too general. 3. Answer must be realistic. And 4. Enthusiastic. Example: I am planning to expand my skills and knowledge first because over the next 5 years, I want to be a person who is an expert in sales that others can go to for help and inspiration. If there is an opportunity, I am also interested in taking on a leadership role as well. I can provide good guidance just like the one I have had from my amazing managers and mentors in my previous job. So many tips for me. I hope they are useful for those of you who watch. Goodbye.